Examples of angle of elevation. A statue with 1.6 meters height is standing on an altar. From some point on the ground, the angle of elevation at the top of the statue is 60 degrees, and from the same point, the angle of elevation at the top of the altar is 45 degrees. Find the height of the altar. Solution. Since the height of the statue is AD is equal to 1.6 meters, angle ACB is equal to 60 degrees, and angle DCB is equal to 45 degrees. In triangle DCB, tan 45 degrees is equal to 1 is equal to DB by BC, or we can say that BC is equal to DB. Now, in the triangle ABC, tan 60 degrees is equal to square root 3 is equal to AB by BC, or BC is equal to AB divided by square root 3 is equal to BC plus 1.6 divided by square root 3, because AB is equal to DB plus AD is equal to BC plus AC, or BC square root 3 minus BC is equal to 1.6. Or taking BC as common, we get BC multiplied by square root 3 minus 1 is equal to BC multiplied by 1.732 minus 1 is equal to 1.6, because square root 3 is equal to 1.732 meters. Therefore, BC is equal to 1.6 by 0.732 is equal to 2.18 meters. Therefore, height of the altar is equal to 2.18 meters. Example. The angle of elevation from the base of a tower to the top of a building is 30 degrees, and the angle of elevation from the top of the tower to the base of the building is 60 degrees. If the tower is 50 meters high, then find out the height of the building. Solution. It is given that the height of the tower AB is equal to 50 meters, angle ACB is equal to degrees. Option. Angle ACB is equal to 60 degrees and angle DBC is equal to 30 degrees. Now, in triangle ABC, tan 60 degrees is equal to square root 3 is equal to 50 by BC, or we can say that BC is equal to 50 by square root 3. Now, let us take triangle DCB. Tan 30 degrees is equal to 1 by square root 3 is equal to DC by BC. Now, by replacing the value of BC and solving the equation, we get DC is equal to 50 by 3 or 16.66 meters. Therefore, height of the building is equal to 16.66 meters.